Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do my Falgun look. Falgun is basically the start of spring in my country, so we celebrate it. So we basically wear everything that reminds us of spring. So I'm wearing this. I'm actually wearing a sari, but I couldn't manage to wear a sari right now because I just got back from class and it's almost 7 p.m. and there's basically no daylight, so I'm really sorry. The lighting looks really weird today, but yeah, so this is the look I'm gonna do. And I never really celebrated Falgun before this. I just started university, so everyone is celebrating Falgun, so I was just like, why not? The look I'm gonna do, I tried to make it as quick as possible because I tried to make it as quick as possible because even I didn't have enough time, and I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna have enough time on Falgun. But yeah, so this is the look I created in a really short time. I'm sorry if I look tired because I actually am. I had like an early morning class and I came back home like an hour ago and I didn't even eat anything the entire day, so I'm like really tired. But I just wanted to put this up for you guys because this was highly requested and I hope you guys like it. So this is the look I created, and if you guys are interested, please keep on watching.
তোমার প্রজাপতির পাখায় আমার আকাশ চাওয়া মুগ্ধ চোখের রঙিন স্বপ্ন মাখা তোমার প্রজাপতির পাখা আমার আকাশ চাওয়া মুগ্ধ চোখের।
Hello, so I'm gonna start off with the Makeup Revolution Neutrals versus Neutrals. You guys know I use this all the time. Of course, I forgot to show you the shade. So I'm using this orangish shade as my transition. I'm putting it all over my crease, and I'm just focusing it on my crease, and I'm using a buffing brush, so I'm just blending it for a really long time. Now I'm taking this cranberry shade and I'm using the same buffing brush and I'm putting it on my lid. So I wanted to do halo eyes at first, so you can see me focusing it on the edges at first, but I'm eventually gonna fill my entire lid with that cranberry shade. Okay, this is where I decided to fill my entire lid with that shade. Oh no, the halo eyes are gone. So now I'm taking this glitter. This is a rose gold glitter with a hint of blue glitters as well. It's sort of a mixed shadow glitter, so it has like hints of cool tone glitters and gold and blue and pink, so it's like mixed shade glitter. I don't know what they're called. These are loose pigments I bought locally, and I'm taking a flat shader brush, and again I thought I'm gonna do halo eyes, so I'm focusing it on the middle of my lid, middle part of my lid, but actually I'm eventually gonna fill half of my lid with this. I'm so indecisive. Look at me struggling. So yeah, now I decided to fill half of my lid with the glitter. So, and also I'm not using any glitter glue here. I am just using my setting spray on my brush, and also the glitter is a bit creamy, so it wasn't a problem. It stuck onto my lids perfectly. So this is how it looks. Now I'm just gonna finish my under eyes. So I'm putting this pink shade on my lower lash line with a fat pencil brush, and I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. Now I'm taking this orange shade since I used it on my crease, so I'm just using this to blend out the pink shade. It just makes the look come together. Now I'm gonna use a more precise pencil brush, and I'm gonna take this dark brown shade and I'm gonna put it on the edges of my lower lash line. Now I'm taking this small shader flat eyeshadow brush, and I didn't show you the shade, but I'm actually using a highlighter from the palette I Heart Makeup. I believe the palette is called Salted Caramel, and I'm using a gold highlighter shade on my inner corners and also on my brow bone. So I put on some lashes that I bought here locally, and as you can see my glue, lash glue. So I put on some black eyeliner on top of it. That's it. I did not put on a winged eyeliner because I always mess up winged eyeliners. So this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna start off with my face makeup, and before that just one more look on my eyes. Now I'm gonna use the Beige Cosmetics 10 color blush palette, and I'm gonna mix this orange shade and this hot pink shade together. On my skin tone, hot pink looks really nice, so I mixed them both together and I took a fluffy blush brush. That's a mouthful. Anyway, so now I'm gonna blend that into my skin. I really like blush, so I kind of overdo it sometimes. Now I'm taking this highlighter shade from Wetnwild Contour Duo, Dolce de Leche, and I'm just putting it under my eyes because I put on too much blush, and also my under eyes seemed a bit dark. So now I'm gonna use the contour shade from the Wetnwild Contour Duo and just contour my face and my nose. Now I'm taking the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. I'm using this highlighter because since Falgun is more of a daytime occasion, so you want to look like you're glowing from within, so this gives you that look. So yeah, now I'm mixing two lipsticks, the Wet n Wild Catsuit in this shade Give Me Mocha. I'm putting that on at first, and then I'm gonna use the Body Shop number 6 Tahiti Hibiscus. That's a mouthful, but like I'm gonna mention it down below in the description box, and I'm using that shade, which is a bit of a cool tone red on top of Give Me Mocha, which looks nude on me. So yeah, now I'm just to finish it off, I'm gonna use a setting spray, which is an oil control setting spray from Makeup Revolution. So yeah, that's about it.
ফাগুন হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান তোমার হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান.
This is the finished look, and if you guys like it, please like, share, and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.